What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Nibbler from the Garten of Banban 3. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the inside edge of the mouth. We'll start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve that comes down the middle and we'll bend that back up towards the right. Let's round out the mouth along the top, come down and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Rounding out the top, come down and then bend that in. Let's fold the bottom edge of the mouth on top. So we're going to step out, curve this up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Let's trace the mouth along the top, starting from the left side, come down, and then up. Now from the top, it's going to round this out, come down, and then in. I just want to bend this in along the corners of the mouth, coming up, just underneath the lip. And we'll tuck the lower lip underneath. So we're going to step out, come down in the middle, and then up. Now we're going to add some teeth along the inside. Starting in the middle, angle this down toward the left, and then back up. Go back to the center and do the same thing towards the right. Coming down, and then up. Let's add a smaller tooth coming in along the side. Add one more along the bottom. And we'll add two smaller teeth pointing up along the bottom of the mouth. Going up and then down. And then we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black going around the teeth. Let's add a curve along the top of the mouth. Starting over on the left, we're going to bend this up and then back down. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we want to draw that same size circle on the right side. So I'm going to line at the top of that circle, come all the way down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add in the upper eyelid. Starting on the right side of the left circle, bend this up and then out. Let's line up the inside on the right and do the same thing. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to add a curve going up and then down for the lower eyelid. Now I'm going to tuck the pupils in underneath the eyelid. Starting from the inside, bend this down and out on both sides. Let's move out and draw the left side, coming around and then in. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Now I want to connect the eyes to the mouth with two curves on either side. Let's start on the bottom of the left eye, come down and then in towards the lip. Now I'm going to step out and draw that same curve. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw on the legs. Let's start from the left side of the mouth, start with a curve, coming down and then bending that out. Let's line that up on the right side. Let's round this out, pull this down, and then in towards the bottom of the legs. Let's round out the bottom of the leg. Starting over on the left, we're going to come down, and then bend that up on both sides. And then from the inside, let's bend the leg going up towards the top. Now let's tuck the body in behind the legs. From the top on the left, step down, start start with a curve coming down and then in. And we'll line that up on the right side. Now we're going to tuck the back of the body in underneath. So we're going to step out, come down in the middle, round this out, and then go back up. Let's add some suction cups inside the legs. We're going to start from the very top on the left, draw an oval, coming down, and then back up. Let's add one over on the left side. And I'll add one more along the inside of the leg, along the bottom. I want to take those 3 ovals and flip it over on the right. We're going to start from the top. Line up the second one on the outside of the leg. And then on the bottom. Now let's go back to that top oval. Starting from the top, I'm just going to add a curve. Coming around and out towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the outside. Now on the inside, we're just going to curve in the opposite direction. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to tuck some suction cups along the outside. Let's start from the top left. Start with a straight line going up. Move out. I'm just going to angle this toward the left. And it'll close off the top with a curve. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by going straight up. Angle this out, and then round out the top. Let's add another suction cup on the outside. So we'll draw those 2 angled lines going out, and round out the outside. Let's add one along the inside of the legs. Let's add one more on the outside of the body. Start on the left. We're just going to angle this one in. Now we're going to draw that edge along the inside, bending this around and then down. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Nibbler from the Garten of Banban 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.